Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines. Today we will delve into the features of the DXJJ portable washing machine and the Anypro portable washing machine. We'll explore their prices, capacities, and automation features to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The DXJJ portable washing machine is priced at just $50, making it a budget-friendly option for those who need a simple washing solution. In contrast, the Anypro portable washing machine comes with a significantly higher price tag of $199, reflecting its advanced features and larger capacity. While the DXJJ is perfect for occasional use, the Anypro may be worth the investment for regular laundry needs. When it comes to capacity, the DXJJ portable washing machine can handle up to 10 liters, which is suitable for small loads like underwear and baby clothes. On the other hand, the Anypro portable washing machine boasts a much larger capacity of 17.8 pounds, making it ideal for families or individuals with more laundry. This difference in capacity can greatly affect your laundry routine, especially if you have larger loads to wash. The automation features of these machines also differ significantly. The DXJJ portable washing machine is semi-automatic, which means it requires manual draining after washing. This can be a bit of a hassle for some users. In contrast, the Anypro portable washing machine is fully automatic, allowing for a more convenient laundry experience with multiple wash programs and settings. This feature makes the Anypro a more user-friendly option for those who prefer a hands-off approach to laundry. In conclusion, both the DXJJ and Anypro portable washing machines have their strengths and weaknesses. The DXJJ is perfect for those on a budget or with limited laundry needs, while the Anypro offers advanced features and a larger capacity for regular use. Consider your laundry habits and choose the machine that best fits your lifestyle. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.